Hello everyone and welcome back to another awesome episode of Historical Recreations. I have a thematic photo shoot coming up in which I need to find some potpourri. Well, I had gone out on a large scouting tour to find potpourri and was very disappointed when I discovered that what people consider potpourri today is nothing more than wood shavings that have been artificially colored and glitter added to it. And that's not the type of material that I need for my photo shoot. I had to call my parents in New England to ask them, what did we use to create potpourri when I was a little boy? And I got the complete list. Now, everything in this list you can actually find online at different herbology stores. It's nothing more than a click away. I'm very happy to share this recipe with you. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering about my sweater, which I'm very happy to also share today, it is from a Scandinavian tour that my family and I had taken. Norway, Sweden, Denmark, and Finland. And if you don't know, Finland is the home of Santa Claus. So without further ado, New England potpourri. Join me. Our first ingredient today you'll need are dried orange peels. Next ingredient, whole bay leaves. Next ingredient, dried eucalyptus. Next ingredient, whole star anise. Next ingredient, cinnamon stick. Next ingredient, dried juniper. Next ingredient, soft dried pine needles. Next ingredient, and one of my favorites, cloves. Next ingredient, dried white fir. Next ingredient, tiny pine cones. Even though our natural ingredients smell incredible just as it is, you can actually enhance the potpourri with some lavender and lemon essential oils. Today, you're going to need a very large mixing bowl. So let's put our ingredients in there now. I would start off with about 3 cups of orange peel. Let's now add in our bay leaves. Let's now add in some cinnamon stick. Let's break them up a little bit, shan't we? Let's now add in our pine needles. But before we do, let's cut them up a little bit smaller. There, that looks good. Let's now add in our juniper. And if you're wondering, this is the same type that they make incense out of. Let's now add in our cloves. Oh, do these smell so nice. Let's add in now our fir. My absolute most favorite of all spices, whole anise stars. Very important element is to add dried eucalyptus. Let's just cut some up and put it in there. And lastly, our baby pine cones. Right now, the smell is so rich and pungent and incredible. It's unbelievable that I don't even have to add the essential oils. Only after a potpourri has been settled out for about 2 or 3 months would you want to add essential oils to it. Now, let's mix this together. There is no store-bought potpourri in the world that can compare to this. Anyone like me who likes to give beautiful gifts on Christmas Day, I highly recommend going out and getting some of these glass jars, some garden twine, the roughest that you can find, and some of these beautiful wooden tags, creating your own bottle of potpourri to give to anyone as a seasonal gift. I cannot tell you in words how incredibly beautiful the smell is. It's just over the moon incredible. The whole entire room is filled with this beautifulness. What an absolutely beautiful gift to give this Christmas season. Let's decorate it. Perfectly created, this Christmas gift will be very, very welcomed by anyone, topped off with a piece of eucalyptus, a cinnamon stick, and a tag which you would write their name on there in cursive writing. The perfect Christmas gift for any neighbor, friend, or family. And the most perfect potpourri for our thematic photo shoot this year. I truly hope that you've enjoyed this episode of Historical Recreations. Now we have the perfect potpourri for our thematic photo shoot. Gothically yours, Professor M.